channel at the intersection of food, travel, and arts meet. Today, I'm going to show you how to make this special dessert. It's very simple but native in the Philippines. It's called cassava cake. Cassava is a root crop that is very common in the Philippines. It's very, very dense, yet very tasty. We've gathered our ingredients here in the US, and I'm sure you can make it too anywhere in the world. So let's get on to the ingredients.
Ooh. Mmm. Mmm. I haven't had cassava cake in a while, but this is it. I remember how it tastes now. It's very... I like the coconut crunch. It's not too sweet. I like it. The sweetness is just right. It's like a sticky cake. I think this will be super awesome once it cools down, because then it'll be like hardened a little more and be more like cake. I can't stop eating. I told myself I would stop. I should stop. But I'm still eating.